There's just something about a luxury unboxing. The anticipation, the details, the way each piece feels intentional. Today I'm unboxing the retro 90s Flip Ends Bob Cut wig from Luvme Hair. Inside the package, everything has its place. Of course, we have the wig itself, but Love Me goes even further. A custom elastic edge band for extra security, a fresh little air freshener, and a set of HD wig caps to prep your foundation. There's also lace skin tape designed to make the lace blend seamlessly, plus a box label card, a wig user guide, and even a mesh storage bag so you can tuck your wig away properly when it's not in use. It's small touches like this that make the whole experience feel more like opening a gift than just unpackaging hair. Now, let's get into the wig itself. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, meaning you get parting space from ear to ear and about 4 inches deep through the middle. The lace is soft, not scratchy, which is important for comfort. The hair, 100% human, silky to the touch, with that subtle sheen that looks healthy, not plastic. Density sits at about 150%, giving enough fullness to carry the style while still maintaining a natural lay. Cap construction is standard with adjustable straps, combs inside, and breathable mesh. Overall, it's made to feel lightweight while still secure. And now for the moment of truth, let's see her straight out of the box. No tweaks, no products, just as is. What stands out instantly are these flipped ends. It's giving that retro 90s energy, polished but playful. The cut frames the face beautifully, and you can wear it right away without having to rush into restyling. For anyone who loves a low maintenance moment, this is a big plus. Now, I do go in with a few quick touches to refine the look. Off camera, I tinted the lace using my favorite, the Kiss Lace Tint Spray, to better match my complexion. I also added a bit of the Luvme Hair Wig Serum. This brings softness, a light shine, and helps tame any of the flyaways. And just to crispen the style, I recurled a few sections of the flip ends with my curling iron. Nothing heavy, just enough to bring out that bounce and structure this bob is known for. Here is the wig fully styled, still worn completely glueless. And from every angle, you can see the shape holds beautifully, the flips, the body, the natural movement. Up close, the lace melts impressively well. It's not overly thick or hard to blend. The hairline is pre-plucked, so you don't need to do much if you're not into customizing. And the parting space is generous enough to allow versatility. Whether you prefer a middle or side part, you can part it however you like. Now, let's talk fit, because this is where I have to give you the honesty. So yes, this is technically a glueless wig, but because it is a frontal, you'll notice that the sides, especially near the ears, don't lay completely flat without adhesive. If you are a true glueless wearer, this may not be your best option. To really maximize the frontal and get that flawless melt from edge to edge, you're going to have to use some type of adhesive or gel. So for me, the real star here isn't really the glueless wear, but more so the style, okay? The retro bob, the flipped ends, the face framing cut. That's what makes this wig worth it. If you're interested in trying this wig, Luvme Hair is currently offering 28% off with my coupon code. All of the details along with the direct link will be in the description box below. My final thoughts: this wig is for the woman who loves that mix of nostalgic style and modern elegance. It's polished, it's playful, and it's just different enough to turn heads without trying too hard. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more luxury style wig unboxings, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.